Welcome back, everybody. Very bullish news, amazing news, technical news. We're getting DXY rejection here from this trend line. Okay, this is a very important trend line we've been watching in the channel. You can see that was a 2017 top for the DXY, a 2020 top for the DXY, and now potentially a 2022 local top for the DXY. Now we're just getting rejected from this area. We had a big red, nice bearish candle for the DXY on the FOMC meeting. That means the 75 points, the market really don't scared about it, it don't care. It's already priced in. We already dropped, and now it's time to have a Fed rally, a rally on the bearish news. Okay, that's how market move. They move in the opposite wave that you think they're gonna move. All right, so we're getting rejection on the DXY. What we want to see, guys, okay, before we starting to open the champagnes and go heavy on crypto. Obviously this is amazing time to buy some crypto because that's what we're doing. Okay, it's not a financial advice. Great time to start positioning yourself in altcoins and Bitcoin. But what you want to see the daily candle obviously closed. Okay, the bigger the wick, the better. So if you see the daily candle body getting small or pretty much flipping to the red, that will be amazing. That will be a shooting star at the top. So that will be amazing. Now, what we want to see in the next couple of days and weeks, we want to see the dollar breaking down this support. Okay, once we break this support, you're gonna have a top formation here. You're gonna have a lower low, and it's probably a significant low for the DXY, and we can start, really party with the altcoin trades. All right, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Now let's move in to the S&P. Okay, very important to watch the S&P. Now what happened in the S&P, we covered in the channel. We have a bullish divergence here. We have a bullish divergence. Chart saying we're going up. Chart saying we're gonna have a bounce. Okay, you're getting higher low, and the market makes a lower low. Okay, market holding with all the fear and uncertainty and all the Fed and the Fed, who cares about the Fed, man? All we care is the price action. Price action is the king. The Fed can do it, blah 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 blah. But what we care is about how the market reacts. Now you can see the market holding. Again, at the moment, okay, it can change at any moment. Okay, this is a very bullish video in a very bearish environment, very hostile environment. All right, but you have to look on the bullish side. Okay, we're holding here. We have a 4-hour hammer here, obviously on the dollar rejection. And look, this is the S&P. Obviously, what the S&P is doing, Bitcoin will do. Okay, so we're expecting a bounce on the S&P. We're expecting a bounce to these levels in the coming days and weeks. Okay, let's see how it's gonna play out. We're gonna cover it. Also, we have the VIX. The VIX getting smashed back down. Okay, the VIX getting smashed back down. You can see it had a fake out. All right, the VIX is the opposite. If it's bearish, this is very bullish for the S&P, and it's also very bullish for Bitcoin. Now let's look on Bitcoin, bro. Let's have a look on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had also a bullish divergence. We covered it in yesterday's video. You can see the market make a lower low. We had a higher low here. Okay, so what we want to see in Bitcoin now, we want to see obviously the daily candle close in the green. We will have to see the daily candle close in the green. Let's look on the 3-day as well. The 3-day close as well in 4 hours, 50 seconds, minutes, sorry. So we should get a hammer, okay? If we're gonna get a hammer on the 3-day, it's always good. 3-day hammer, it usually means a bounce, okay? Usually mean a bounce. Now what we want to see is a break of this descending trend, okay? In the coming days and weeks, we want to take this trend line and we want to take this high, the 22,400. Once you're gonna take this trend line and this high, okay, you have a shot of testing the high. And once you're gonna test this high, if the dollar will keep dropping, there is a high probability we're gonna break above and retest the 200-day MA. Okay, that's what we want. We want to see a retest of the 200-day MA. Let me show you the MA on the daily chart. Okay, this is the 200-day MA. We want to retest it for Bitcoin. Okay, now as Bitcoin going to bounce, we're expecting a bounce. Obviously, we're going to have stops protecting our positions at all time. All right, so if the market suddenly start breaking bearish, we're going to get out, man. We're going to get out. We're going to get stopped out. That's how you trade a market. You're not a moon boy, man. You're here to make money. We're here to make money, all right? So anyway, once we see the rally starting and we're already positioned ourselves in altcoins, this is the best time to trade altcoins because a lot of money is going to come back to crypto now. A lot of money on the sidelines is going to come back to crypto. If you're going to break this high, a lot of money will come back to crypto. The dollar topping out So the dollars will come back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading versus the USD. USD is going down, Bitcoin is going up. That's simple as that. You want to watch the USD, you want to use the DXY chart that we talked about in the beginning of the video. See that it continued dropping and start positioning yourself in altcoins. And yeah, guys, this is amazing time to start buying crypto, in my opinion, at the lows. You're holding super strong support. Amazing time to start buying. Okay, and thank you very much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you want to come and trade with us, we're now positioning ourselves in altcoins for the next swing. Let me share with you a trade we took in the trading group, like, you know, this month. That was a Lunacy trade on August 31st, the best trade of September. Let me zoom in. We bought the break. You can see that the price was 167. Let me show you Luna Classic. Where is Luna Classic now? There it is. Luna Classic price. That was the area we bought it, okay? That was where we bought it, okay? 167. Now, because we're not a moon boys, obviously we took profit along the way, but if you've been in our trading group, you could nail 240% gains since we bought it, okay, on the Lunacy trade. All right, bro. So this is serious, okay? Most crypto doing nothing, going down, and we nailed a trade that hit 240% since we bought it, okay? So if you want to come and make money and really become a profit maximalist and altcoin hunter and get all our calls, all our trades on the right time, all the market updates, all the position, anything you need, stop this video, click on the link in the description here, choose a tier. Choose a tier, man. Test the 40. Even, you know, if you're skeptic, man, try 1 month on the $49. If you don't learn some serious ways to trade crypto, and if you don't make sick money with us, you can always cancel it, man. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video. Cheers.